Hi everyone. Today we can discuss chapter GST exercise 1B question number 2. Goods or services are sold from Agra UP to Kanpur UP for 20,000 and then from Kanpur to Jaipur Rajasthan if the rate of GST is 18% and the profit made at Kanpur is rupees 5,000. Find first one, the net GST payable by the dealer at Kanpur. Second one, the cost of goods or services at Jaipur. Given transaction is from Agra to Kanpur and then Kanpur to Jaipur. Agra is in UP, Kanpur is in UP, Jaipur in Rajasthan. So goods or services are sold from Agra to Kanpur for rupees 20,000. So what will be the selling price at Agra? Selling price at Agra. Selling price at Agra will be what? Goods or services are sold from Agra to Kanpur for rupees 20,000. So what will be the selling price at Agra? It will be rupees 20,000. From Agra to Kanpur. So, if the selling price at Agra is 20,000, what will be the cost price at Kanpur? What will be the cost price at Kanpur? It will be what? 20,000 itself. Selling price at Agra is 20,000. So, cost price at Kanpur will be 20,000 itself. Then, what is given the goods or services are sold from Agra to Kanpur for rupees 20,000 and then from Kanpur to Jaipur, if the rate of GST is 18% and the profit made at Kanpur is 5,000. So, here there is a profit of 5,000. So, what will be the selling price at Kanpur? Cost price at Kanpur is 20,000. Who is getting a profit of 5,000. So, selling price at Kanpur will be what? Getting a profit of 5,000. So, 20,000 plus 5,000. 20,000 plus profit 5,000 is equal to 25,000 will be the selling price at Kanpur. Selling price at Kanpur is 25,000. So, what will be the cost price at Jaipur? Cost price at Jaipur. Cost price at Jaipur will be what? Cost price at Jaipur will be, selling price at Kanpur is 25,000. So, cost price at Jaipur will be 25,000 itself. Okay. Given GST is 18%. Given that GST is 18% for both the transaction. First transaction is from UP to UP. First transaction is from UP to UP. So, it is an intra-state transaction. UP to UP. It is an intra-state transaction, that is within the same state. So, we have to find CGST and SGST. So, CGST will be what? In this transaction, this is an intra-state transaction from UP to UP. So, we have GST is equal to 18%. So, CGST will be, we have to give what? 9% and SGST also will be 9% since it is an intra-state transaction. So, what will be the CGST? CGST will be what? 9% of which one? 20,000. 9% of what? 20,000. 9% of 20,000. That is CGST at Kanpur will be 9% of 20,000. That is what? CGST 9 by 100 into 20,000. 9 by 100 into 20,000. So it will be 1,800. So what will be SGST? So SGST also will be 1,800. So what will be the total GST at Kanpur? Total GST at Kanpur will be what? CGST plus SGST. It will be 1,800 plus 1,800 is equal to 3,600 will be the total GST at Kanpur. So here GST we got it as, total GST we got it as 3,600. So this GST is known as what? Input tax, that is input tax. GST means it is a goods and service tax. So that UP to UP transaction, so that tax is known as input tax. 3,600 is the input tax. The next transaction is from UP to Rajasthan. It is an interstate transaction. No? UP to Rajasthan. It is an interstate transaction. Same GST. GST is given as 18%. So how can we find IGST? IGST will be, since it is an interstate transaction, there will be IGST only. So IGST is equal to 18% of which one? 25,000 of 25,000. That is 18 by 100 into 25,000. So final answer 18 into 250 is equal to 4,500 is the GST. So this GST is known as GST 18%. This GST is what? This is the output GST. That is output tax. GST is output tax, that is 4,500. This is input tax 3,600. Output tax is 4,500. Here the transaction is from UP to Rajasthan. It is an interstate transaction. That's why we are writing 18% itself. Here in this case UP to UP, it is an intrastate transaction. So it is 9%. IGST we got it as 4,500. Then net GST paid at Kanpur. Net GST paid at Kanpur will be what? We got output tax as 4,500, input tax as 3,600. So net GST paid at Kanpur is equal to output tax minus input tax. That is 4,500 minus 3,600 is equal to rupees 900. That is our first part. Then second part. Second is the cost of goods at Jaipur. Jaipur, here Rajasthan. The cost of goods at Jaipur. So Jaipur is the end user. End user means we want to add the GST also. So which one? We have selling price 25,000. Since it is the end user, we have to add the GST. So GST is what? 4,500. So final answer will be 29,500. Since this is the end user, we have to add the GST. If it is not the end user, no need of adding GST. Since it is the end user, we have to add the GST. So cost of goods at Jaipur is 29,500. Okay, thank you.